simplify your life, the complete guide to moving house in Melbourne. Moving house in Melbourne? Yeah, it can feel like a lot, boxes, stress, and a million little things to remember. But it doesn't have to be that way. In this video, we'll walk you through everything, from planning and packing to settling into your new place. And with a little help from Harry the Mover, it's all a whole lot easier. So, first things first, why get professional help? When you've got experienced local movers by your side, the whole process just flows better. They know the roads, the rules, and how to make things quick and safe. It's one less thing on your plate. Once you've got the right team lined up, the next step is getting your plan sorted. No one wants a last-minute panic. So, map it out early, what to move, when to move it, and where it's all going. A little prep goes a long way. Now, let's talk packing. This is where time disappears fast, but smart packing saves you in the long run. Label your boxes, keep heavy stuff at the bottom, and don't forget to wrap your fragile items. Of course, if you'd rather skip the hassle, Harry the Mover can take care of it for you. Alright, your boxes are packed, now comes loading. This part's all about space and safety. The way you stack things can make or break your move, literally. Our team uses tried and tested loading techniques to make sure everything arrives in one piece. And when you finally get to your new home, it's time to get settled. Start room by room, unpack the essentials first, and don't rush it. A bit of order here helps you feel at home faster. If you've got a system, it'll all fall into place. And look, moving doesn't have to be stressful. With Harry the Mover, you've got friendly experts who handle everything from start to finish. Packing, loading, driving, even tips on settling in, we've got you. You relax. We move. So if you're planning a move in Melbourne, don't go it alone. Let Harry the Mover make it simple, smooth, and totally stress-free. Check out the link below, or give us a ring today. Free quote, fast and friendly service.